bang marami ang naniniwala?
Kulang po. Tuloy niyo lang po yung life niyo. Yes po.
Gusto ako sakta ng Diyos. Talaga, na parang iniwan na tayo ng lahat.
Africa for you, no? Or I know I had some Egyptian friends.
Hi guys, they canceled their practice, so I'm staying home today and attend ako ng Philippine Indigenous Community class and we're watching a documentary, so
mga kabiho. Kung walang naiiwan, walang nalalabas. Mag-almusal, diretso sa gubat ang mga kabiho para maghanap ng pagkain, pang-hapunan. Huling 5 piraso ng isda. Kung tutusin, sapat na itong pagkaragat ang tribo. Ito raw ang uulamin nila.
Dito, di kita
apparently my
Ones na magkaroon ng care or ng...
yung reporting ninyo, ha?
Yes.
Yung next reporter naman po.
hi guys, we have dance practice and I'm waiting here malapit sa school para magsabay na kami ng friends. So, yeah. Iyan ba? It's giving an tourism.
On the first case I tried open, gave it all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. What you don't understand is I throw a grenade. Throw my head on the plate for you. I jumped in front of a train. Walk in naman! Kasi na-expired ako. Ruiz.
Excuse me. Pwede po service po? Talagyan ng grocery, payo. A week after. Vloggy vlog.
Hi vlog. We're going sa cafe. Sobrang init. We're going sa cafe para mag-table reading.
Ako din,
And
kailangan ko na pinagdala ng
honestly,
payo.
I haven't slept pa. Okay, I was out last night with other friends. I'm so tired. I haven't slept pa in like more than 24 hours na.
Sino kami mag-feel? Or yours? Galit na galit yun. Nandito ako, wala sa
Feel ko ang
oras. Nasabi, bumili na lang ako.
Mura lang kayo, okay na.
kumpara naman sa Starbucks, di ba?
Kailangan natin ng pera. So, di ba wala na kami kinakanan natin?
Alam ko naman yung kumpara. Pero sino tatanggap sa wala?
Next na po. Next na po.
Para mag-dip sila.
The hell?
Culture of the Europeans at the time was more advanced. Obvious that like they had system of irrigation, they were already agriculturists, so they started
Guys, come cram with me kasi I did nothing during the weekend, so...
So